In this short tutorial, you will learn how to block ads on Facebook. Facebook shows ads to make money, but sometimes they can be annoying. Fortunately, there are a few simple steps you can take to minimize or even eliminate these ads altogether. To get started, open up the Facebook mobile application and then tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on the gear icon at the top right. Once you are on the settings page, tap on the magnifying glass icon at the top right and search for ads. Tap Ad Preferences. And then tap Ad Settings. Tap where it says Categories used to reach you. It will load this page. What you want to do next is scroll down, and you'll see these options that are turned on. To block ads on Facebook, toggle off all of these options. Once you've done that, tap where it says Other Categories. And then remove everything on this page. Simply tap the Remove button next to all of them. So, that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.